Hey y'all, it's your girl Fatima E and welcome to my channel. Let's get into this, y'all. This is just going to be a quick frontal install on this wig that I dyed jet black. If you would like to see the process on me dyeing the wig jet black, I will put the link at the end of the video so that you can go over there to see exactly how it was done. This bomb wig is from my collection. The link will be in the description box. And you see I'm over here making a mess, trying to get the last bit out of that bottle because I'm getting my money's worth, baby. I'm gonna get my money's worth. But yeah, so I did like 4 to 5 layers of this glue, I believe, and 4 to 5 layers will give you like a good week and a half to 2 weeks hold, I want to say. No, I did not glue my ball cap. I have a huge forehead. I don't need to. I used She Is Bomb Edge Control and I'm using Erica J glue. So yeah, this part is pretty much self-explanatory. You're just going to see me going through each layer. I sped it up to make this part go faster so you can just see how I evenly distributed the glue and then made sure it was completely dry till it was clear. And then I moved on to the next layer and I made sure I do that repeatedly through each layer. So let's get into a little bit more detail about this wig that we will be installing today. So it is a jet black revamped wig. It's 13 by 4 and it was originally 30 inches and now I want to say it's a good 26 inches. Now I had this wig for about 2 years now and I've revamped it like I want to say 3-4 times. The very first time I revamped it, or not revamped it, the very first time I colored it, I dyed it brown ombre, and then after that I revamped it and I did a toner on that ombre that I did, and then I decided to do this revamp and we decided to go with a black, dyed it jet black. So yeah, this hair has been through a lot and it is still bomb. It's still some really good hair that can still be reused again. So make sure you get your hands on some really good hair, some really good lace. Like it's about like as you finna see, we finna go into it right now. This lace finna blend seamlessly. And yeah, and I also believe we're having a spring sale right now, so don't miss out. Get your hands on some good hair, girl, okay? So after I laid the lace, I'll go back in and reapply some more glue around the parts that didn't lay. And then after that's all finished, I comb the hair back. You could also hot comb it back, but I just decided to comb it back since I already hot combed it on my mannequin head. Then I take my wrap it, and then I blow dry it a little longer so until it's fully dry. And then after that, I take the wrap off and get right into the edges. Now, when we get into the edges, it is a process. I don't care what nobody say. Doing edges is a process. So you just have to work with it. Now, I know the girlies be doing the curl in the edges, and I'm all for it because it be looking so cute. But man, I be burning my face. So I skip that sometimes. When I'm feeling it, I do it, but for the most part, I can slick the things very easily without having to curl my edges and burn my face. Let that nigga go. Now, after the edges and you did your install and everything, that is it. You ain't gotta do nothing else. And these are how my wigs come. My wigs come fully pre-pucked, fully bleached, and ready to wear, especially if you get a glueless wig. You just throw that thing on and take that thing off. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you for watching and supporting your girl. I appreciate it. Make sure you like and leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for more because I drop gems in all of my videos. You do not want to miss. Everything used and mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. Drop a black or purple heart in the comments so I know who stayed to the end. And I will see y'all in the next video.